Running a small business means juggling dozens of customers, leads, and tasks every single day. The right customer relationship management tool can turn that chaos into calm. Today, let's explore the top 5 CRM software options that help small business owners stay organized, close more deals, and grow faster without breaking the bank. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Think of it as a digital home for everything you know about your customers. It remembers their names, their last purchase, the email you sent last Tuesday, and what they plan to buy next. Instead of scattered spreadsheets and sticky notes, a CRM keeps every conversation, deal, and follow-up in one clean, searchable place that your entire team can access. As a small business grows, information multiplies fast. Without a system, leads get lost, follow-ups slip through the cracks, and customers feel forgotten. A CRM solves this. It saves hours every week through automation, never forgets a birthday or a deal stage, and shows you exactly where your revenue is coming from. Businesses using CRM see up to 29% higher sales and nearly 50% better customer retention. Before choosing any CRM, make sure it covers the essentials. You need contact management, a visual sales pipeline, email integration, and workflow automation. A good mobile app lets you work on the go. Solid reports reveal what is actually selling. Integrations connect it to tools you already love like Gmail, Outlook, and WhatsApp, and affordable pricing keeps it sustainable as your business scales. First on the list is HubSpot, widely considered the best all-around CRM for small businesses. Its free forever plan is remarkably generous, offering unlimited contacts, deal tracking, email scheduling, and a stunning drag-and-drop interface that anyone can learn in minutes. When you're ready to upgrade, paid plans start at just $15 per user per month and unlock powerful marketing and service tools. HubSpot simply grows with you. Second is Zoho CRM, the best choice for budget-conscious small businesses. Zoho packs enterprise-level features into a price tag that starts at only $14 per user per month. You get sales forecasting, workflow automation, an artificial intelligence assistant called Zia that predicts outcomes, and deep connections with the entire Zoho ecosystem of productivity apps. A free plan for up to 3 users makes it easy to try. Third is Pipedrive, the CRM built by salespeople for salespeople. Its biggest strength is the visual pipeline that makes tracking every deal feel effortless, almost like moving cards on a whiteboard. Activity reminders keep your team accountable, and its artificial intelligence sales assistant suggests the next best action. Plans start at $14 per user per month, with a 14-day free trial so you can try everything risk-free. Fourth is Freshsales from Freshworks, ideal if you want artificial intelligence working quietly in the background. Its built-in assistant named Freddy scores leads automatically, predicts deal outcomes, and highlights customers most likely to buy. It combines sales, marketing, phone, and chat in one clean interface. There is a free plan for up to 3 users, and paid plans start at just $9 per user per month, making it one of the most affordable options here. Fifth and finally is Salesforce Starter, the small business version of the world's biggest CRM platform. If you expect rapid growth and want a tool that will never outgrow you, Salesforce is worth a look. The Starter Suite begins at $25 per user per month and includes guided setup, pre-built templates, and Einstein artificial intelligence. Plus, you unlock access to thousands of apps on the AppExchange marketplace. Let's put these 5 side by side. HubSpot is the best overall with an unbeatable free plan. Zoho is the smart choice for tight budgets. Pipedrive shines for pure sales teams. Freshsales delivers the best artificial intelligence for the money. And Salesforce Starter is the safest bet for businesses planning aggressive long-term growth. Each one serves a slightly different need, so match the tool to your actual goals. Choosing the right CRM comes down to 6 simple steps. First, define your goal clearly. Second, set a realistic budget. Third, consider your team size and future headcount. Fourth, check that it integrates with the tools you already use daily. Fifth, always test the free trial with real data. And sixth, involve your team in the decision. Remember, the best CRM is simply the one your people will actually use every day. Every successful big business was once a small business that organized its customer relationships well. The 5 tools covered today, HubSpot, Zoho, Pipedrive, Freshsales, and Salesforce Starter, are all excellent choices. Pick 2 that match your needs, sign up for their free trials, and spend a full week comparing them with your real customer data. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share your pick in the comments, and subscribe for more small business tips.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.